Fortunately, Instagram does allow you to change the video thumbnail or cover page after posting. So let's get started. First of all, tap on the plus icon at the bottom and create a reel like you do always. Then tap on the next option available at the top right corner. Then again, if you want to edit the video, edit it, or else you can simply tap on the next. And there you can see edit cover option available. Tap on it and tap from the add from camera roll. It is before posting. After posting also we can change it, and let's learn how. Now choose any photo you want to keep as a profile now as a thumbnail of the video. Now post it. Once you post this video, you can see it is available on your profile. Now what you need to do is tap on it, then tap on the three dot icon available at the bottom right corner, then tap on the manage option available, then tap on the edit, then tap on the cover option available there. Now tap on the add from camera roll. Now scroll down and look for the photo you want to post it as a thumbnail and tap on the done option available there, and it will be saved as this new photo. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.